25 general questions and their answers that might come up in daily routines. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What time is it?
It's 2:00.
What's the date today?
Today is August 5th.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
What's your name?
My name is Jane Smith.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need help with?
What do you do for a living?
I work as a doctor.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Rex.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is Italian pizza.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies include playing guitar and dancing.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Little Women.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Godfather.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to hip-hop and rap.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I do exercise at least 4 to 5 times a week.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had creamed eggs on toast.
What's the weather like today?
The weather is sunny today.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy my job.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children.